Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and today's skincare video. Today's video is very quick and short, but it's going to be extremely informative and knowledgeable regarding skincare. We will explore the transformative power of essential oils in skincare to achieve radiant and healthy glowing skin. From soothing inflammation to combating acne and promoting a youthful glow, these aromatic extracts provide a plethora of skincare solutions. So let's embark on a journey to uncover the science behind the essential oils, their diverse applications, and to see how they can revolutionize your skincare routine. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or new to the world of natural skincare, this video is packed with valuable insights, tips, and a DIY recipe at the end for you to harness the maximum power of essential oils to get a radiant, glowing, and healthy skin. Let us first understand about essential oils a little bit better. Essential oils are concentrated liquids extracted from various parts of plants, including flowers, stem, leaves, and roots. They contain the volatile compounds that is responsible for the plant's aroma and therapeutic properties. For skincare, essential oils are renowned for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. They can help soothe irritated skin, they reduce acne and promote collagen production, leading to a very youthful complexion and glow. I'm gonna quickly run you all through top 3 essential oils for skincare. First up is lavender oil. It is known for its calming aroma. Lavender oils have powerful anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, making it ideal for soothing irritated skin, reducing redness, and treating acne issues. The second one is tea tree oil with its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Tea tree oil is a very popular choice for treating acne issues and any kind of fungal infections as well. It can also help regulate oil production and unclog your pores. The third one is rosehip oil, which is rich in vitamin, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. Rosehip oil is prized for its ability to hydrate, repair, and rejuvenate the skin. It can fade scar, reduce wrinkles, and even out skin tone. With all these benefits and goodness, we need to keep one thing in our mind, which is very important while incorporating these essential oils into our skincare routine. When using essential oils for your skincare, it is extremely essential to dilute them with a carrier oil to prevent irritation and maximize efficacy. You cannot apply essential oils directly on your skin. For facial skincare, you can add a few drops of essential oil to your moisturizer or face serum, or you can make your own DIY face packs. Remember to perform a patch test before applying any new essential oil to your skin, especially if you have very sensitive skin or any kind of allergies. Now let's do a quick and super easy DIY session and make a face pack that you all can do at home as well. The essential oil I'm using in this video is Nykaa Natural Cinnamon Oil for tight skin and hair growth. I bought this Casa Rose Upton face pack from Dabur Gulabari. It has all the rich goodness of rose, which is known for its antibacterial properties, which helps reduce oil secretion from the skin and is very effective on acne-prone skin. It says that it brings moisture to your skin and keeps it very supple. It removes dead cells and improves skin complexion. Rose also helps in reducing facial wrinkles and fine lines and brings freshness and purification to your skin. The major ingredients of this face pack are multani mitti, rose petal powder, turmeric powder, and calamine. That's all good. I'm very happy with the ingredients. So now let us start making the face pack. First step is to put the product in a small bowl and add a few drops of Dabur Gulabari rose water to make a thick paste. Then add 3 to 5 drops of essential oil to the paste and mix it well. Then apply the face pack and wait for 10 to 15 minutes till the face pack dries completely. Your skin will automatically start to feel super tight and the face pack will start cracking. That's the right time to start rinsing your face and wash off the products. Remember to moisturize your skin within first 5 to 10 minutes of cleansing your face because that's when your skin pores are open and unclogged to eat up all the good nourishment you are gonna feed your skin. So I have added a couple of drops of essential oil to my gold serum from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to quickly apply it to my skin for a natural radiant glow. Continue using essential oils like this twice a week for a couple of months to start seeing some improvements. I personally love this product and I definitely recommend it to all of you 100%. Essential oils offer a very natural and holistic approach to skincare, harnessing the power of plants to nourish, repair and rejuvenate. Whether you're struggling with skin issues or simply want to just enhance your beauty routine, there is an essential oil out there for you. By understanding the unique properties of each essential oil and incorporating them into your daily skincare routine, you can achieve a glowing skin that radiates health and vitality. I hope that you all gained a lot of knowledge and information about essential oils in this video and will make the correct skincare decisions for yourselves. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more beauty and fashion related content every week. So bye bye and see you guys later in my next video.